It's very devastating that people who are in their mid 35s are even prone to hypertension. We are tirelessly running for our breath every day, but still we have to accept the fact that we seldom care about ourselves. And in case if you have old people at home, I'm sure this video is going to be very useful. This kit is a little bit costlier. It costs around 3000 and this one is 2800, but still they are worth it. And let's get started.
Take my hand and hold it tight.
So let me show you how it works. Make sure you place it over your elbows and wrap it tightly, and this tube should next to be your small finger. The top number refers to the amount of pressure in your arteries during the contraction of your heart muscle, and this is called systolic pressure. And the bottom number refers to your blood pressure when your heart muscle is between beats, and this is called diastolic pressure, and this is pulse per minute. You can also save your previous readings, and these batteries are rechargeable and you can recharge it whenever you want. And the next one is more compact and it checks for our oxygen level and our heartbeat level. So you have to insert your index finger over here, and SpO2 is nothing but your oxygen level, and PR BPM is your heart rate level. And my oxygen level is 98 and my heart rate is 102. And remember one thing, if your oxygen level is below 60 and your heart rate is below 70, you have to consult a doctor. And hope this will be useful if you have old age people at home. We know we cannot rush to doctor every time, so we have to monitor ourselves. These are also reusable batteries and you can recharge it and use it whenever you want. Hey guys, hope this video was useful. If it was, so share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts you can leave it in the comment section, and subscribe us for more. Have a good day.